Hey everybody, this is a quick review and overview of this Azeroth, I think that's how it's pronounced, pant coat hanger closet efficiency type setup. So, quick overview. This has got 5 different hangers. You can hang pants, you can hang skirts, and it has sort of a, it's not really rubber, but a plastic sheathing right here. So it's smooth, but not too smooth. This is looks like a brushed nickel finish. And then you have this hard plastic setup here. You have these hooks. You can hang them around this or any type of kind of closet type system. And it's pretty easy, pretty simple. You just you slide on your pants or whatever you're trying to keep nice and neat. And if you're trying to save space, you just unhook one side, right? And then there you go. You have a nice, a little bit more compact. You can make some room. You can make some room for whatever it is in your closet that you're trying to maximize your space. You could technically leave it hanging like that, but it just allows you to kind of go like this, hang it all nice and neat, and then drop it down for some space savings. So as far as the dimensions here, if you're wondering, like from left to right, you're looking at about at least, I'd say about 14 inches from here in the back all the way to the front. Just kind of gauge what amount of space you need as far as your pantalones are concerned, or maybe even skirts or whatever it is that you want to hang. Hopefully this helps. So talk to you soon.